Welcome to this Android channel, and one of the things I wanted to talk about as we are talking about security and security apps is Malwarebytes for Android. Malwarebytes is a well-known anti-malware or antivirus software available for different platforms, PC, Mac, Linux, and Android. And of course here this is the Android channel. So you can add on to the Google Play Store and download Malwarebytes on your device. This will enable the Malwarebytes anti-malware. Now, two ways to have it. There's the free version and there's a paid version. The paid version, which is kind of a premium version, has real-time scans, has more protection, and the free version is basically really just scan manual scan and manual update. So basically, what you do is you just manually update the app and then scan your smartphone from time to time. I typically scan my smartphone about once a week, and it pays off. Once in the month of May, there was one little malware that was discovered in one of the apps that I had installed. So, it might be a good idea to do a little scan. Now, do you want a paid version or a free version? It's really up to you, honestly. I always say, if you are careful with the way that you handle your devices, technically you shouldn't really need any paid antivirus. You should be okay with the free version, honestly. But if you want to be secure, you might want to just, have something paid. But whatever, you can actually try the paid version for 30 days or premium version for 30 days, which I did, by the way. I did try it for 30 days. It was okay, but, I don't see the need to actually have the premium version, honestly. But you can try it for 30 days. After 30 days, it will revert to the regular version. It's of course going to tell you that it's expiring, but you can have Malwarebytes for free for Android, and I think it's one of the good software to have to scan your smartphone from time to time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.